The Layport Development Project comprises one basin of 400 meters by 700 meters and one 50,000-ton container berth with length of 240 meters. The berth surface level is 3.5 meters CD, and seawater depth for the harbor basin and turning circle of minus 13.0 meters CD. The harbor is constructed to be able of berthing post Panamax container vessel. The container terminal rail spacing of quay crane is 30.48 meters. The stacking yard is around 60,700 square meters. The project including dredging work of basin, revetment wall, piling work and structure work of berth. The port infrastructure facilities include roads, stack yards, power supplies, lightings, water supplies and drainages, office buildings, workshops, gate facilities, etc. The cutter suction dredger, with capacity of 3,500 cube meters per hour, is adopted for the harbor basin and turning circle dredging. The terminal land area is reclaimed by the suitable dredged material, and the other dredged material would deposit on definite place by the government. Temporary construction yard is established on the northeast side of the Layport Container Terminal after site clearing and land area are reclaimed. And then the temporary site office, living quarters, pre-casting yard, batching plant, aggregate stockpiling area, and rebar fabrication yard will be constructed. After the revetment is dredged and rock material is transported by 30 to 50 cubic meter hopper and placed over the excavated slope, the riprap work is carried out layer by layer. The foundation of berth is adopting board pile. After the revetment have constructed, then the board pile work would start. The pile is carried out by in situ concrete after procedures of 1,000 dia. Pile borehole cleaning and installation of steel cage in right sequence. The precasting work of beam is executed layer by layer. The bottom shuttering consists of structural steel. Reinforcement bars will be fabricated over the bottom shuttering. Both the land transport and water transport are used for precast beam transportation. First, precast beam suspended to the pile cap. Second, the reinforcement work of inner beam and connect point would fabricate, then installing formwork and casting concrete. Reinforcement bars of slab will be fabricated over the bottom shuttering, and slab is casting on site. The 75 kilowatt vibro flotation machine is used for ground treatment. The locations of the vibro floats arrangement. We like the vertices of equilateral triangle of 2,500 millimeter side. Revetment work includes slope of Turning Basin and My Creek River. The barge is used to dump the rock for the underlayer, whose level is below minus 2.0 meters. The rest part, which is over minus 0.20 meters, will be carried out from the land. The barge and 100-ton crane are used to dump the rock for the top layer whose level is below minus 0.20 meters. The rest part, which is over minus 0.20 meters, will be carried out by the 50-ton crane from the land. After the completion of ground treatments, the construction sequence of horizontal direction shall be from the south to the north. The construction sequence of vertical direction shall be fire control and water supply work, communication and power supply work, stackyard work, road work, office buildings, workshops, entrance gates and substation. Sectional completion schedule. Layport project commencement date is May 8, 2012, and whole construction period is 30 months. Section A, dredging of harbor basin, starts from August 5, 2012. Section B, on January 5, 2013, reclamation with ground treatment for terminal yard of Zone 3 and Zone 4 is finished. Section C, on August 30, 2013, Piling work of the key foundation is finished. Section D. On February 27, 2014, key structure including pile cap, beam, and slab is finished. Section E. On June 24, 2014, dredging of harbor basin and revetment is finished. Section F. On September 2, 2014, container yard road is finished.